Have you ever wondered what open account payment terms in trade finance are? Well, let's delve into it. Open account payment terms refer to a method of conducting international trade where goods are shipped and delivered before payment is due. It's like extending a line of trust from the seller to the buyer, where the seller trusts the buyer to pay at a later date, typically within a predetermined period after receiving the goods or services. Now you might be thinking, why would anyone do that? It all boils down to trust. This kind of arrangement requires a high level of trust between the buyer and seller. It's a give and take relationship. The seller gives the goods and the buyer takes the responsibility to pay within the agreed time frame. This arrangement is common in global trade, particularly for established and trusted business relationships. Now, let's delve into the features of open account terms. First up, we have the concept of goods shipped before payment. In this setup, the seller sends out the goods to the buyer before receiving any payment. This arrangement can be a boon for buyers, allowing them to inspect the goods or even generate revenue from them before they have to pay up. Next, we have what's at the heart of open account terms: the trust-based relationship. The seller is essentially taking a leap of faith, trusting that the buyer will fulfill their payment obligation within the agreed upon time frame. Lastly, we have the feature of flexibility. Open account terms aren't set in stone. Both parties have the room to negotiate payment terms that best fit their needs and capabilities. This flexibility not only facilitates smoother transactions, but also helps to foster stronger business relationships. These features facilitate smoother transactions and foster stronger business relationships. Open account terms come with their own set of benefits and drawbacks. Let's delve into the positives first. One of the key advantages is the competitive edge it gives to sellers. By offering open account terms, sellers can attract a broader range of buyers, particularly those who prefer the ease of deferred payment options. Another benefit lies in the streamlined process it offers. Compared to more complex payment methods like letters of credit, open account terms simplify the transaction process. This reduction in complexity can lead to a decrease in administrative burdens and associated costs. The third advantage is the potential for enhanced relationships between buyers and sellers. By demonstrating trust and flexibility, open account terms can foster stronger business ties, potentially leading to long-term partnerships and repeat business. But like all things, open account terms are not without their downsides. A significant drawback is the credit risk. If a buyer fails to pay within the agreed time frame or defaults on payment altogether, the seller may face financial losses. Cash flow challenges are another potential pitfall for sellers. Waiting for payment on open account terms can create cash flow issues, especially for those businesses that rely on timely payments to cover expenses or invest in new opportunities. Finally, without the security offered by instruments like letters of credit, disputes over quality, quantity, or delivery of goods can be more challenging to resolve. This could lead to potential delays and additional costs. Despite the simplicity and flexibility, businesses must be wary of the inherent risks related to credit and cash flow management. To sum up, open account payment terms in trade finance offer a trust-based, flexible approach to international transactions. They provide benefits like competitive advantage, streamlined processes, and enhanced relationships. However, they also carry credit risks, cash flow challenges, and potential disputes. Therefore, businesses must carefully assess their relationships, risk tolerance, and financial capabilities before opting for these terms. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more insightful videos. Until next time.